Raiz means root in Portuguese, a name that seamlessly captures the essence of the Navigator Company's Forest and Paper Research Center. Located at the heart of Quinta de São Francisco, Raiz is nestled amidst century-old eucalyptus globulus trees.
We're lucky enough to count with the expertise of top professionals and to have some world-class technology at our disposal. Here at Raiz, we like to think we embody the Navigator Company's commitment to research and development and to keep pushing the boundaries to develop new and more sustainable products. In essence, here at Raiz, what we do is trying to exploit the potential of eucalyptus globulus fibers to produce higher quality papers using fewer resources. We like to think we help build gKRAFT to make more using less.
Raiz participated in many of the packaging paper development lines currently underway at the company. The laboratory demonstration of the production of high-yield eucalyptus kraft pulp, HiCap, and support for its transposition to an industrial scale has been its greatest achievement in the field of packaging paper.
Well, there's a certain dogma in the world of packaging papers that favors the use of softwood instead of hardwood fibers. But we've run some tests here at Raiz that have shown that you can use hardwood fibers and eucalyptus globulus fibers specifically to produce even some of the most demanding packaging grades.
For more, due to a set of distinctive morphological characteristics, eucalyptus globulus fibers are more resistant to the quality losses inherent to recycling processes. A study conducted by Raiz revealed that these fibers retain a significant fraction of their original mechanical strength after multiple recycling cycles. More specifically, up to 6 additional cycles when compared to other types of fibers. The high number of fibers per unit weight gives the paper more thickness, stiffness, and opacity, using less resources than ever. The packaging market is witnessing a major transformation in response to regulatory pressures and changes in consumer demand patterns.
Over the coming decades, cellulose-based, renewable, recyclable, and biodegradable materials will increasingly replace plastics and other non-biodegradable materials. And it will require significant research and development efforts to tailor the properties of the final paper to the desired end use.
gKRAFT is here to lead the change. From fossil to forest, rooting for our planet.